Happy Friday! It's Release Friday here at UpKeep, and I'm at the UpKeep HQ. Every single Friday, we come to you to showcase our latest, greatest, newest releases that we've shipped to our customers. My name is Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder of at UpKeep. This is one of our coolest, biggest, most innovative releases to date, and it's something that I'm incredibly proud of for being a pioneer in the entire industry. Big shout out to the UpKeep team. Today, we're releasing our library of checklists that you can download right into UpKeep. But it's not just any library, it's an infinite library of checklists. We actually use AI to help kickstart a checklist for preventive maintenance, inspections, audits, and so much more. It is so cool. You can drop in any asset, and we'll help you create a basic checklist that maybe gets you 80% the way there. And then we also give you these easy edit options to update that checklist to save it into your UpKeep account. As much fun as it is to talk about, it's even better seeing it in action. So I'm going to pass the baton over to Natasha here to show you exactly how it works in UpKeep.
Great. Thank you, Ryan. Hi, everyone. I'm Natasha, joining from the product team. So we're going to go ahead. We are currently in our checklist section of UpKeep, and we're going to come to Add Checklist. We see a new section up here for the AI Checklist Generator. So we have a fleet of trucks that we're going to create some checklists for. And we're going to go ahead and do an annual safety inspection. And you can see we've got quite a few options to pick from, but we're going to go ahead and do safety. And now we're going to click generate. So we see we've got some details automatically populating, and we're just kind of off and running. So lots of little tasks automatically being created. This is just a really great starting point to get your checklists going. Certainly can come back and add additional details or etc. But should just really save your team a lot of time, as well as providing really comprehensive starting points to get your checklists going. And with that, I'll hand it back to you, Ryan.
This is truly one of my favorite releases of all time and puts you, our customers, at the bleeding edge of innovation. Go into UpKeep, check it out, give us feedback, let me know what you think. My email is ryan@upkeep.com, and I actually do my best to try to reach out and respond to every single customer response that I get. Thank you to all of our customers and the entire UpKeep team. We've got even more releases in the pipeline, so I'm excited to share with you what we've been working on next Friday. I'll see you then. Thanks, everyone.
Thanks, everyone.